Hi guys, welcome to Cook avec Dan, and this week we are cooking ratatouille. First we need to make a puree to go under the veggies in the ratatouille. First we're gonna take those nice tomato and we're gonna blanch it. So in boiling water, just gonna put there for 1 minute and just make a X here on the edge. It's going to be easier to peel the skin after. Put those there for about 1 minute. Okay, so after 1 minute, remove them from the boiling water and put them right in icy water to stop the cooking process. Okay, and now just peel the skin like this. Beautiful. Okay, now it is time to go roast those bell pepper, and for this we will go outside in the barbecue. If you have a gas oven, this will be ideal to roast your bell pepper just under the flame, but I don't, so my solution is to use burning charcoal in my barbecue. So I will roast the bell pepper directly on the burning charcoal. By the time they cool down, because now it's pretty hot, we'll just put all the ingredients in the mixer. Two cloves of garlic. Then half a white onion. So now those have cooled down, we can peel all the black. We will just remove what we don't need and don't want from those pepper. Some thyme and some parsley. I will add some chicken stock. Okay, so this is done. We're gonna save this for later, and now we will chop all our veggies for the top of the ratatouille. So the thinner you can go, the better it will look at the end. You can also use a mandolin to cut your veggies, and I really like it because you're gonna cut every single piece the same thickness. But be very careful because this machine can eat your finger like real quick. Okay, so now we take our mixture we first prepared, and this will be our base for the ratatouille. Okay. Okay, now we will stack those veggies really close one to another. Okay, everything is stacked together, and this is how it looked like. Now I just want to put some rosemary salt. Okay, just chop some rosemary here and mix it with the fleur de sel. Pretty simple. And with the pre-cut parchment paper, put it on top, and then it goes in the oven for 1 hour at 300 degrees. Okay, so now we are ready to serve, and we will use a mold ring. Use some of the leftover puree that we did at first in the blender. Just make it nice all around here. And then we reveal. So here it is. And now we taste. Just gonna try to pick up a little bit of everything here. All the notes, the taste, the herb, the rosemary, the thyme. It's incredible. Wow. So here I have a white wine, came from Les Côtes de Provence. It's south of France. The grape in this wine are Rollet and Ugni Blanc. So in this wine we should expect a low acidity, and we also should expect very mineral notes and low sugar. So let's find out. This is my favorite sound in the world. A brand new bottle just opened. The reason I chose this wine is because it's from south of France, and it's pretty much the same area where you can have ratatouille. Yeah, it's mineral, but I can sense some fruit notes. Wow. This was not an expensive wine, and yet it's incredible. It's really good, and it's a perfect match with the ratatouille. It doesn't go over any of the tastes and pair really well. Wow, this is excellent. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you will try it at home and try some of the wine also. It's du Puree Barrera. I hope to see you next week for another exciting video about fancy, easy to make food. Until then, cheers and see you soon!